Well, hi, and welcome to my shop, and I'm glad you're here to watch me try and fix what I hope is the last problem with this Rogers Majestic 8059A stereo console. You're staring straight at the last problem, the last thing we have to fix. So, now that little piece of wire there is actually bent off to the side. And now see the slug at the bottom sticking out quite a bit. If you look at the other slug, it's a matching slug. It's in the back there. It's really only sticking out a little bit. That, of course, is because this rod here, the wire is bent. You can straighten that up. Looks like it just soldered in here. That looks simple enough, doesn't it? You just unsolder that top part and you can move the wire up and down. So I can just straighten this out and hope it doesn't break. If it does break, then we're into something else. Now, the question I think I really need to answer though is, well, why did this happen in the first place? Why won't it happen again? Well, the easy answer is the slug got stuck inside that coil. The problem with that is that it's not stuck now. I don't know why it would change. I'm going to move this. Watch it now. Seems kind of gooey, doesn't it? Okay, well that's a little mysterious now. Oh yeah, the slug is just not down as far as it should be, because the other slug now has gone down inside the sleeve. So, I don't know what else to do other than just straighten that out and hope that's fine. We'll think about stiffening it after I straighten it. And we got to think about how to ensure that that slug is not getting glued inside there. Whoop. Oops. So, nothing like a little spherical aberration in your day, is there? Okay, I'm learning here. Learning very slowly. Hang on. This would be a much smarter idea. Voila. Okay, let me try a little finger pressure on here. The reason is that your finger is very sensitive, you know, you really know what you're doing when you push directly like that. It's a pretty stiff piece of wire there. Okay, now the rest of the way, I think I need to put a tool on there to straighten it. I have a tool. It's good for that, if I can fit it in there. I don't think I'm going to fit this in there. I'm not sure that's going to make much difference. Oh, maybe. Pretty similar to the other one now. Now, usually when you kink something like this, it's forever ready to kink again at the same spot. So you really don't want that to happen because you can't be bending this too many times. A reasonable guess is this has already been adjusted properly. Like you could adjust it by just bending these tabs up and down. Ooh. Right. Here's how the whole mechanism works. You can just see that by turning this shaft, it draws the slugs up. Hit the limit. Now going down, I'm watching really careful. Should feel a fair bit of pressure back before the wire decides to kink. Well, you know, I don't think that was a big deal at all. Now, we don't know how the wire got kinked. For all we know, there was nothing wrong with that wire in the process of getting this chassis all the way to here. That wire may have gotten kinked somehow. It seems quite fine, doesn't it? So, I say, let's give it another test. Come on. It shouldn't be that difficult. These springs are kind of not helping. Okay. Boy, that's a torturous deal. It's in there good now. So let's see. Better check the speakers here. Wires are connected fine. antenna. We need to connect an antenna. Make the ground or break the ground. Break the ground as we want. I think we're all set. Okay, keep your eye on the meter here. We'll go on restricted power. There we go. Again, that's the heater draw being reduced as the heaters attain their operating temperature. And now you should see it start to fall back as we get current flow in the tubes. Down it goes. Very good. Give it full power, particularly with an FM radio. I noticed last time I had some lack of volume control. Let's turn it up a bit. Now we'll tune it. No, it doesn't seem very good. Well, that's the FM radio, I'm pretty sure. Let's go to the AM radio. Oh, boy. We've got a volume problem here. Hey, it's only one channel here. Yeah, it's only one channel. And that's the dead channel there. It's probably a bad tube. Well, we still got a ways to go with this guy, don't we? There's something not right with the FM tuning. The audio seems to be out of control. So, I think we need to, next step would be to verify this tube is good or bad. And then we should start checking some tube voltages, I'm pretty sure of that. A smart move, so let's cut the power. Wow. Yeah, double wow. Wow, wow. Well, this isn't something I do with too much regularity because I'm not sure what my meter is really reading when I'm shining a glass on that. This one reads, I'm in Fahrenheit, I'm in Celsius here. 80, up around 80. 80 is up around the highest reading I get. This one's very similar. Whatever's going on, they're both going the same way. These kinds of tubes are normally quite hot. I mean, that's why there's one of the reasons they're so large. Because of all the heat they're dissipating. And what is that tube? It's partially rubbed off there. We can read it here. 6, looks like 6 BM8. 6 BM8. 6 BM8. Would I have a 6 BM8? Okay, well. I'll have to go hunt one down. Oh, maybe I should test this. 6 BM8. 6. Yeah, let's try that. Where's my little tablet here? Here, let me get this all set up.